In electrical trains, the power is supplied by connecting the pantograph to the overhead contact lines or catenary. These catenary wires are generally divided into three types: messenger wire, droppers, and contact wire. Normally, to achieve the highest performance, the pantograph and the overhead catenary are designed in a way that the contact wire remains always fully horizontal. However, after years of operation, the configuration will change and the horizontal shape of the contact wire will be deformed. This deformation at high speed will cause severe vibrations that might damage the pantograph and increase the wear rate of the equipment. In the overlap sections, these damages are more likely to occur because the transition of the connection point is not fully smooth. PANTOhealth's solution to prevent such defects is to correct the contact wire's horizontal shape by calculating the result of the force applied to each dropper and determining the required change in its lengths based on existing contact wire profile and the messenger cable curve. For this purpose, in the first step, the current condition of the overhead catenary is measured by a device, and the exact profile on the contact wire is determined. Using a mathematical model, the force applied to each dropper is calculated. By applying these forces reaction to the messenger cable, the current lengths and the required change in each of dropper will be obtained. In the next step, a validated analytical simulation software simulates the dynamics interaction between the overhead system and the pantograph and optimizes the stiffness and damping value for each dropper. By having the results of these complex calculations, it is possible to produce a unique fitting to be installed on each dropper. The fitting justifies the lengths and optimizes the stiffness and damping of each dropper. Changing each dropper's length is done by passing its cable through three non-collinear points. Optimized lengths of droppers can be achieved by adjusting eccentricity of the points. The thickness of the fitting tunes the amount of stiffness, and using different materials determines the fitting's damping. Through this, the cable resistance against tension and the amount of dissipated energy by droppers can be adjusted. Therefore, installing these fitting on the droppers not only help to fix the contact wire's horizontal shape, but also improve the overhead catenary dynamic behavior. This improvement is even more effective in cases of multi-pantograph interaction.